Craft your DIY success. YouTube Google Ads for enthusiastic makers. In the age of the internet, do-it-yourself, DIY, enthusiasts have access to an endless treasure trove of knowledge and inspiration. YouTube and Google Ads provide powerful tools that DIY enthusiasts can leverage to not only learn and create but also to share their passion and expertise with a broader audience. In this article, we'll delve into how DIY enthusiasts can effectively use YouTube Google Ads to grow their presence and connect with like-minded makers. 1. Share your creative process. YouTube is the ideal platform to showcase your creative process. Create detailed, step-by-step tutorials that demonstrate your DIY projects, from inception to completion. Explain your techniques and the tools you use, making it easy for viewers to follow along. 2. Educational content. Educational content is at the heart of the DIY community. Share your knowledge by creating how-to guides, tips and tricks, and skill-building videos. Offer valuable insights that help viewers improve their DIY skills. 3. Product reviews. Reviewing tools, materials, and equipment can be highly valuable to DIY enthusiasts. Your honest opinions can guide others in making informed purchasing decisions. 4. Personalize your approach. Use Google Ads targeting options to reach specific demographics, interests, and locations. Tailor your ad campaigns to connect with DIY enthusiasts who share your passion. 5. Showcasing your work. Showcase your completed projects and highlight their functionality, aesthetics, and practicality. Demonstrating the real-world application of your DIY creations can inspire others. 6. DIY challenges. Host DIY challenges or contests to engage with your audience. Encourage viewers to participate and share their creations, fostering a sense of community. 7. Mobile optimization. Many DIY enthusiasts access content on mobile devices. Ensure that your videos are mobile-friendly and your website is responsive for a seamless user experience. 8. Keyword optimization. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. This improves the discoverability of your videos in YouTube search results. 9. Visual appeal. Incorporate high-quality visuals and graphics into your video content. Clear, well-lit shots and attractive visuals enhance the viewing experience. 10. Interactive elements. Encourage viewer engagement by asking questions, conducting polls, or requesting input on upcoming projects. Respond to comments and foster a sense of community. 11. Analytics and data insights. Leverage YouTube and Google Ads analytics to track the performance of your ad campaigns. Monitor metrics such as click-through rate, view duration, and audience demographics to refine your strategy. 12. Collaboration opportunities. Explore collaboration opportunities with other DIY enthusiasts or influencers in the community. Co-create content or feature each other's work to expand your reach. 13. Showcase mistakes and learning moments. Don't shy away from showcasing mistakes or challenges you encountered during your DIY projects. Sharing these moments and how you overcame them can be incredibly valuable to your audience. 14. Consistency is key. Maintain a consistent posting schedule for your YouTube channel. Regular content updates keep your audience engaged and eager for more. 15. DIY challenges. Challenge yourself to create new and innovative DIY projects. Document your journey and share your experiences, including the highs and lows of your creative process. YouTube Google Ads offer DIY enthusiasts a dynamic platform to showcase their creativity, connect with a community of like-minded makers, and inspire others to embark on their DIY journeys. By implementing these strategies and continuously optimizing your ad campaigns, you can effectively leverage the power of YouTube to enhance your presence in the thriving DIY enthusiast landscape.